out there magnetfishing. Team Kratos, baby.
Alright, we're back out here today at our new spot. And most every throw is coming out like this, except only this one had a padlock. That's a nice lock too. I wanted to show you guys. It might clean up pretty good, I don't know. Yeah, this place is just loaded with crud. Okay, I'm going to show pulling in a couple and throwing out a couple. It's taking like 5 minutes just to unload the magnet. It's so... I don't know if it's just so packed on there. I just don't know. It's taking forever to get the stuff off. That's a nice square nail right there, buddy. Very nice. Got something red. Got a spark plug. Oh, it's an S. An S. And see, every time it's like this, every single time. And it's just taking all I got to get the stuff off. It takes forever. Every time it's coming in like this or worse. So, let me get this stuff off, and I'll get back to you and we'll throw it out. Finally got it as clean up as it'll get. Still got these little shards all over it that won't come off. It's supposed to rain all day today, but it's pretty warm. We caught a break in it, so thought we'd take advantage of it what time we can. Excuse me. The other day when I went down the bank, I got a big rip in my waders at the knee. So now we're going to have to do something about that. George has something heavy, and it fell off at the bank, so he's going to have to keep trying to get that, because he wants it, whatever it is. Oh, there's a real nice whiskey bottle down there I keep messing with. A friend of mine was asking me, why, and I want to know, do we find so many whiskey bottles around here? You know, I don't know if just that many drunken people, or if it was due to prohibition, you know. I mean, I don't know why, any of the details. I'd like to know why there's so many whiskey bottles around here. This is just a big old manky crunchy munch. Alright, let me get her cleaned up. Oh, that's a piece of chain right there. Oh, messed up. The only reason I know it's chain is because there's one free piece. Alright, I'll get back to you when I get ready to throw out. Well, I forgot to turn it on when I threw it, so now we'll just bring it back in. But I'm telling you what, this stuff is so... it's like when we were under the bridge, it was taking 5 and 10 minutes to get all this off there, and I don't know what the difference is of the stuff that it's just stuck hard. I don't know what it is. I wish I could find the other half of my lion. Need to get the half I got cleaned up so you guys can see it. Cleaned up. Ooh. Alright, straight off. I do believe that's a big old spanner. Just a piece of it. Can't tell if it's one of those adjustables or not. It may be because there's stuff on each side, but I can't tell. Look. Looks like another piece of chain. Can't tell. Ugh. And more of this crud. Alright. Oh. As soon as I get it cleaned off. Alright. I wish I could offer you guys smell-o-vision. But see, the bad thing is, I breathe with my mouth open. So I not only get to smell it, I get to taste it. And let me tell you. Not good. Remember in the 80s we said, oh, it's grody to the maximus. It's so funny. Gag me with a credit card and put me on my way. It reeks. It hurts. I would wear spandex every day and concert t-shirts every day. Man, if I can get this up here, it's got a bunch of heavy stuff on it, it looks like. Yep, it's heavy. Oh my gosh. Alright. Big old mass of melted up crud with something round in it. This looks like a crudded up railroad spike. And I got a piece of stir pipe on here. And the rest is just sharp stuff. So, I guess I'll shut you guys off for now. When I find something interesting, I will get back to you. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see right there in the water. I don't know if you can see it from here. I can see it perfect. I thought it was a tire. But right there. I hope you can see it, because I can. That's not a tire. I don't know what it is, but it sure does look metal, and I would be afraid to get my magnet stuck in the center of that. And I have to get out there somehow and get it out. I don't know what that is, but I hope you can see it for real. Okay, I just pulled this in, and I was just interested in this one thing to see what it was. Not this, but I'm going to show you. Looks like a broken off spam key. But this thing, it's round and it has something on both ends, and then I don't know what that is on the back. I don't know what that is. It's different. Never seen anything like it. And here I have a piece of a file, and that red piece is off that saucepan handle I was getting, and the rest of it's just stabby, stabby. But I am interested in whatever this thing is here. So, I'll get back to you. Okay, I'll move over here to where I went down and got that padlock off that little island the other day. This is, oh, my first cast, and I lost everything right there. Let's see what I was able to keep. Junk and more junk. It looked like there's a whole lot of stuff over here, but I can't tell. A whole lot of rocks out there, and there's some bricks. Looks like this could have been one of those house push-in sites or something. See right there on the bank, there's an old radio, but the weeds have got it, and I can't get it up with the magnet. So I'm going to have to decide if I'm going down there today. And the big old thing I was pulling is still there too. Lord, that looks like a track plate. I wonder it was so heavy. No, that ain't what it is either. It's just a big old piece of cast, and I mean big. Whew. Got a butter knife. Some of it. Oh no, it's off that enamel. I thought it was a teapot, but that makes it look like a bucket. I don't know. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get something. Alright, y'all, I haven't had this on. Haven't really been finding too awful much. Came over here a few steps away from where I was. Been finding a lot of stuff on the bank. Found a whole bucket full of stuff on the bank. Just found this. Not sure what that is. Found my 9th spark plug. Well, our 9th altogether today. We find enough to put in a car every day. Okay, I just pulled this from off the side of the bank. Well, if I get the magnet off of it for the second time. A whole bunch of circuitry. Nothing written on it anywhere. It's a big bunch of yuck. And it's heavy. And it certainly didn't need to be there. Well, we got 4 5-gallon buckets full of scrap out of here today. In just a few short hours we've been here. I think we're going to call it a day. We didn't find anything, you know, very historical or anything, but we sure did get a lot of good crap out of here, and that's a good thing. So, until next time, good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Real deal out.